package delivered from Amazon, so let's open it up and see what it is. Alright, so up first we have the rechargeable high-powered flashlight. It will be super helpful out at night. And then next up, and it is a multi-pack of spray bottles. Maybe it's just me, I have the worst luck with spray bottles, so they always end up breaking, but it is really nice to have on hand for things like fly spray. Thank you so much to Teresa for sending us these items, really appreciate it. And if you want to send us anything from our Amazon wish list, you can head over to fromtheashesforcerescue.com/donate and find the link there.